The worst Bible characters.
Samson. Samson is like the Ryan Leaf of Bible heroes. Sure, he had a lot of God-given potential, but he wasted a promising career on things like destroying public property, lame trivia, and really bad taste in women. Look, Sam, if your girlfriend betrays you once, shame on her. But if she does it 4 times, well, I really don't know what you see in her. Figuratively speaking, of course.
The worst Bible characters.
This episode was brought to you by Enkidu Five. Check out his videos. It's like if Mystery Science Theater and Seth Andrews had a baby, and that baby made sweet-ass videos.
Are you ready for the return of the Lord Jesus Christ?
Never heard of him.
Long, dull shots of text. What kind of idiot? I mean, what kind of total brain-dead moron would think that that would be entertaining? Can you tell me, George Lucas? No offense.
Rivers and fountains will be turned into blood.
Yeah, I have the same reaction after I accidentally eat a sack of White Castle hamburgers.